Well, greetings and good morning, Business 22 students. This is Mr.D, and this is week number 4 in our managerial communications course here at Norco College. And at this point, you should have completed your discussion post assignment from last week, and you also should have completed your individual presentation. Now, I do want to say that I made a mistake and I got this class confused with other classes I'm teaching that are very similar, and they also have an individual presentation. So technically, the individual presentation was due on the 9th. However, because I told a few students that emailed me that they had till the 16th, I am going to extend a 1 week grace period on the individual presentation. So if you've not submitted it yet, I'm going to give you 1 more week to do so before I start lowering your potential points. And if you've already turned it in, thank you for doing that. I apologize for the confusion. Thank you for working hard, but the good news is you don't need to think about it anymore. You're done until I grade it. And keep in mind, I will grade your presentations once you have viewed and commented on 2 other student presentations, and then I'll grade yours. So if I don't grade yours and you've submitted it, it's either because I haven't gotten to it yet or you've not viewed other students' presentations and commented on them. And once you do that, I will grade them basically 5 to 10 a day until they're all graded. And then some may sit there because they didn't do any comments for quite a while. But you have until the end of the semester, which is another 4 weeks, to complete your comments on others. But I will not grade yours until you do that. So anyway, let me go ahead and share my screen for this course. I'm gonna switch gears here and go to, go to our class in Canvas. So give me a second as I'm navigating there, and then I'll share my screen for this course. And like I said, we're actually at the halfway point in the class, so that's good news. We have 4 more weeks to go, and then we will be completed with this course. And so we are still in module number 2. So you should be seeing our home screen now for our class in Canvas. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate down. So here we are, week number 4. So we're going to begin business writing this particular term. And because that is one of the more critical pieces of this course, we're going to be writing probably 4 or 5 writing assignments, memos, emails, letters, and also a digital channel. I think I'm not sure if I have you guys do that one or not, but anyway, I have you do multiple writing assignments. So because business writing is so different than essay writing or what you learned in English, it's important, I think, for us to kind of talk about that. So I did do a business writing video. This is from last term right now, but on Thursday of this week, I'll be holding a Zoom session that will allow you to hear it firsthand as well as to ask any questions. I will record that and I'll replace this link here with that video there. I'll also email it to you when it's done if you've not been able to view it or not been able to attend it. But if you can join me, I'd love you to join me this Thursday, 10 a.m. Same link that you used to use office hours. I'll be in there and we will discuss business writing, which again, it's different than essay writing, and there's some guidelines you want to follow in order to get decent grades on your papers, if not A's, straight A's. So please join me for that, or at least watch it. But you are covering a lot this week. You have 3 chapters to cover, chapters 4, 5, and 6, and these all deal with business writing. You have a check-in assignment on those 3 chapters with a couple of questions from each chapter. You have a quiz on those chapters. You have a writing assignment, your very first one. And this is a parking memo. And by the way, if you come to my business writing class or Zoom session, I actually will talk about how to do that assignment. I might even give you a few samples of it, what it should look like. And then there is your discussion post number 2, which will last for 2 weeks. So you don't have to finish it this week. You have until the end of next week. But keep in mind, this discussion post is all about business writing. So needless to say, I'll also be covering that discussion post in the Zoom session. So really, the Zoom session covers a lot, and that's why I think it's important for you to attend if you can, or at least watch it. It'll probably end up being close to an hour long. So please watch it if you don't join us, and that'll help you a lot in your writing assignments in this course. So, all right, well, that's it for week number 4. If you have any questions or concerns, you're more than welcome to get a hold of me via email, text, or you can join me in my office hours on Mondays, Wednesdays on campus, and Thursdays online. And I'd be happy to help you. But if not, have a great week, everyone, and you will see me on video once again next week. Till then, have a great day, great week.